Okay, so we are at the Naga Cave. However, we are not sure if we're going to the Naga Cave or not because it sounds like it's not open. We have hired a guide and he is going to be taking us to a waterfall area which is in the proximity, but we're not sure how many places we're going to be looking at here because I guess technically it isn't open yet. So I don't know, there's a beautiful trail ahead, so we have no idea what's going on. We either get to see everything here or we have to come back in a week. We're like 1 week off, right? All right, so let's go do this, you guys. I have no idea what's going on. Thailand, I'm telling you, you just never know what's going on. So let's go figure this out.
Yes, let's call it nature trail.
Okay, nature trail for now. So let's go check it out. So we're going to call this the waterfall adventure. We actually ended up going up really high and I'm drenched in sweat. There's just no way not to sweat. But this is absolutely beautiful. And you can see how high we are. The vehicle where we parked in the parking lot is down there. It's pretty nice. We are going to come back. There's a lot more stuff to see in this national park area. But it is not quite open yet. We're about 1 week away. So I think we're probably going to wait for some cooler weather and then we're going to head out here and explore. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive from our house and it looks like there's a lot to see. This gigantic mountain is beautiful. We were talking with the guide. He says there are caves that tourists don't go to that are outside the national park. So I think we're going to do that. So stay tuned for that. I think that is definitely a win. And I am going to join up with the group because they already left me and scramble my butt down to the bottom. Alright, and now it is time to eat, you guys. We found the cutest little traditional Thai place. I don't know, we're going to be sitting in those little bungalows. Well, anyway, you guys come check it out.
Yes, let's go. Yes. Some food. Let's see the menus first. So here they have only Thai English, but it's no problem, of course. For Thai lady like me. Pad Thai with pork, Pad Thai roti. This is different. And some noodle soup, pork noodle, tom yum noodle. Seafood tom yum noodles, all kinds. Papaya salad, all kinds of salad. And this is, oh, they have cheese ball, they have french fry.
No thanks.
All the drink.
Just order for me like always.
Okay. have papaya salad here, and this one another papaya salad. This one just no stinky fish sauce. This one full of stinky fish sauce. Okay, here's some more food. This looks so good. Pad Thai with shrimp. They marinate the shrimp too. I think this is gonna be good. How is it, babe?
Very good. A little bit of chili. Yummy. I do a thumbs up and I'll drop my chopstick. Okay, so we have a snake call again. So jumping on the ATV and heading out. I never know what this is going to end up being, so I'm always recording, and we're out of here.
Do you see it?
Do you see it?
No, I don't. I can't see it. Careful.
Oh, I see.
You see it?
Yeah. It's a kukri.
Oh, I see it too. Oh, it's actually big. Oh, okay.
Big kukri, you guys. Really, really big one.
Many people. อันนี้เรียกงูลายปีแก้ว
It's a girl.
ตัวผู้หญิงค่ะเป็นตัวเมีย
No eggs. So, you guys, very, very big fasciolatus, big kukri snake, rear fang, specialized dentition, really, really nasty bites, but not dangerous. So we are gonna bag it and move it to somewhere else. Man, that's probably the biggest one that I've seen. All right. Okay, very good. It's a big one, you guys. Really, really big size. So we're gonna go release this somewhere away from here. So we are going to let this snake go across the street, across the road from our house. This is a beautiful kukri, for sure the biggest one that I've seen. you go. There you go. Always have a camera ready. Always here.